developing right now. A judge has declared a mistrial in the Dayonte Resiles murder trial just last night. Of course, the jury said they had reached a verdict, but then the judge didn't accept it.
Yeah, Local 10's Trent Kelly is live outside this courthouse with the latest on this developing story. Trent, what have you learned?
Yeah, yet another turn today here in the Dayonte Resiles murder case. The judge, as you mentioned just a few moments ago, declaring this a mistrial. So it is now official. All of this, of course, coming after those jurors spent almost 6 days deliberating all of the evidence and the facts in this case. And of course, as we've been telling you all morning long, all of that came to a head just last night, right around 8 o'clock in the evening. So very late at night yesterday, when these jurors appeared to have come back with a verdict. However, just moments after that verdict was read in court, the verdict, by the way, was for manslaughter. Just moments after that was read aloud by the judge yesterday evening, he quickly threw it out after they started questioning each juror individually, making sure that they did agree to that verdict. During the course of that questioning last night, that is when the judge asked one of the jurors again if that was her verdict. She came back and said no. At that point, the judge sending the jurors back into the deliberation room, hoping that perhaps maybe they could have reached a definitive unanimous verdict sometime today, but it was just about maybe about 15 minutes ago that we got word that those jurors were heading back into the courtroom. We know they had been here since 9 o'clock this morning, again trying to hash out the facts of this case, trying to come up with a unanimous verdict. But ultimately, though, just 15 minutes ago, that judge declaring this case a mistrial. So the big question now, of course, is what comes next? Well, we know this case will now have to be taken up with a new jury. In the courtroom just a short time ago, the judge did set January 3rd as the date to pick those new jury members. So obviously this case is going to have to move into the new year, and they're going to have to do all of this over again with a new jury and have a brand new trial here. But again, the big headline here this afternoon, a mistrial declared in the Dayonte Resiles murder case, with a new jury set to be selected early next year on January the 3rd. We, of course, will be there for that, and we'll follow this process all over again starting next month. But for now, that is the very latest live from the Fort Lauderdale Courthouse in Broward County. I'm Trent Kelly, Local 10 News.